Africa is home to a rich diversity of animals, many of which are iconic and well-known around the world. Here are some of the most famous and mid-African animals. Lion. Known as the king of jungle, lions are social big cats that live in pride. They are often found in savannas and grassland. Lions are apex predator, primarily hunting large herbivores. Number 2. Elephant. African elephants are the largest land animals on the earth. They are recognized for the large ears, long trunks, and social behavior, living in family groups, led by marriages. Number 3. Giraffe. The world's tallest animals, giraffes have long necks which help them reach leaves on tall trees. They are native to savanna and open woodlands. Number 4. Leopards. These big cats are known for their spotted coats and exceptional ability to adapt to various habitats. There are solitary hunters and often drag their prey into trees. Number 5. Rhinos. Both black and white rhinoceroses are native to Africa. These large herbivores are known for their thick skin and distinct horns, often targeted by poachers. Number 5. Rhino. Both black and white rhinoceroses are native to Africa. These large herbivores are known for their thick skin and distinct horns, often targeted by poachers. Number 6. Cheetah. The fastest land animal cheetah can run a speed of up to 7, 8 mph, 112 kilometers. They are built for speed, with long, lean bodies and long legs, but they rely on speed and short bursts of speed to catch prey. Number 7. Zebras. Known for their black and white stripes, zebras are social animals, often found in large herds in savannas. Their stripes may have bait camouflage or confuse predators. Number 8. Hippopotamuses. Despite their bulky appearance, hippos are aggressive animals and among the most dangerous in Africa. They spend much of their time submerged in water, emerging at night through days. Number 9. Buffalo. African buffaloes are strong animals often seen in herds. They are unpredictable, can be dangerous especially when threatened by predators. Number 10. Gorillas. One noted exclusive to Africa's savannas, gorillas are found in the forests of Central Africa. They are large as lemur primates and critically endangered. Number 11. Crocodiles. Nile crocodiles are the largest crocodilian species in Africa. known for their patience and power in ambushing prey near water bodies. Number 12. Whitehall. Frequent whitehall thinking wolves are highly social and operative pack-hunters. They are known for their complex social structure and endurance in chasing prey. These animals form an integral part of Africa's ecosystems and are often the focus of wildlife conservation efforts due to threats from habitat loss, poaching, and human-wildlife conflict. If you like our video, please subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more new videos. Thanks for watching.